This is D. Today, D just wanted to sleep in, but the alarm clock had other plans. Ding dong! Ding dong! The clock danced and shouted, "Wake up, D! It's a brand new day!" D groaned, "Oh, do I really have to get up today?" D went to the kitchen to grab a donut. But wait, what's this? The donuts jumped off the plate and started dancing. "Don't eat us! We've got the moves!" one donut sang. D shouted, "Ah! Dancing donuts? I just wanted breakfast!" Just then, a tiny dinosaur rolled up on a skateboard and yelled, "Delivery for D! It's more donuts!" D panicked. "More? I'm surrounded by DD drama!" And before D could even sit down, splash! Ducks were diving into his pool. "Dive like a D, baby!" quacked one duck with sunglasses. D cried, "My dry day's doomed!" He started running around, dodging donuts, ducking ducks, and avoiding dinosaurs, until he spun in circles and shouted, "Whoa, Dizzy D is down for a nap." Plop! D landed on a soft beanbag, finally ready to rest. Wow! What a dizzy day for the letter D. But D is a delightful letter with lots of fun words. D is for dog. D is for donut. D is for dinosaur. D is for duck. And D is for dance. Can you think of more D words? Say them out loud. Go on. Don't be shy.